For planter, I am using 4-ply yarn. Make a magic ring, chain 3, and double crochet in the magic ring. We will make total 15 double crochet in the magic ring. Pull the magic ring yarn tightly and make a slip stitch to end up the round 1. For round 2, we will make 3 chains and 2 double crochet in each stitch. In round 2, we will make total 30 double crochet. Make a slip stitch to end up the round 2. For round 3, make a chain and single crochet in each stitch. We will make total 30 single crochet in round 3. Make a slip stitch to end up the round. For round 4, make 3 chains. Normally we insert the hook in the stitch from the right side, but we will insert the hook from wrong side and make a double crochet. Let's make a 1 more double crochet together. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook from the back side and make a stitch. Complete the round 4 by following the same pattern. Make a slip stitch to complete the round 4. Make 3 chains and insert the hook in between 2 double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert in between 2 double crochet. We will make 4 more rows by following the same pattern. After completing the 5th row, cut the yarn and the planter is ready. This is the final look of the planter, how it's look like. For inner side of the planter, I am using brown 3-ply yarn. Make a magic ring, chain 3 and 15 double crochet in the magic ring. Pull the magic ring yarn tight and make a slip stitch to end up the round 1. For round 2, make chain 3 and 2 double crochet in each stitch. Slip stitch to end up the round and cut off the yarn. For leaves, make a magic ring, chain 3 in the magic ring and a double crochet in the magic ring, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet in the magic ring, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet in the magic ring, and now chain 1 and 1 triple crochet in the magic ring, chain 2 and slip stitch on the top of the triple crochet. Now we'll make a double crochet in the magic ring, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet, chain 1 double crochet and 3 chains and slip stitch in the magic ring. Pull the magic ring yarn tight and make 14 chains. Make a double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. Make a chain and a double crochet in the same stitch. 1 chain, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 triple crochet in the same stitch, chain 2 and a slip stitch on the top of the triple crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet and chain 1, 1 double crochet, 3 chains and a slip stitch in the same stitch, again make 14 chains and make a leaf by following the same pattern. In simple word, the leaf pattern is 3 double crochet on one side and a triple crochet in the middle of the leaf and 3 double crochet on the other side of the leaf. I will also give the written pattern of the leaf in the description. After completing the third leaf, make 14 chains and cut off the yarn. Make 4 to 5 leaf stems according to your choice with different lengths. For flower stem, make a magic ring, chain 6 and a single crochet in the magic ring. Pull the magic ring yarn tight. This loop is used for flower base. Make 16 chains and a single crochet in the 7th stitch from the hook to make a loop. Again 16 chains, and a single crochet in the 7th chain from the hook. Chain 11 and cut off the yarn. For daisy, make a magic ring, chain 3 in the magic ring and 2 double crochet, and chain 3 and a slip stitch in the magic ring to make a petal. For second petal, make 3 chains, 2 double crochet, chain 3 and a slip stitch in the magic ring. For third petal, we will make 3 chains, 2 double crochet, 3 chains and a slip stitch in the magic ring, and our little daisy flower is ready. For inner side of the flower, take the yellow yarn, make a magic ring, a chain in the magic ring, pull the loop 2 to 3 cm to make puff stitch. Yarn over the hook and insert the hook in the magic ring. We will do it for 3 times and we will have total 7 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through all loops and a chain in the last loop and make a single crochet. Make a chain and cut off the yarn. Pull the magic ring tight and attach the inner side with the flower. Attach the flower with the stem with the help of a glue gun. Now it's time to assemble all the parts of the planter. I make 6 leaf stems and 4 flower stems. Take a round felt sheet, apply the glue on the felt sheet and paste it on the base of planter. Fill the planter with fiber and attach the inner side of the planter with the help of a needle. For planter hanger, we will make 3 ropes of 30 chains. Combine the 3 ropes and make a knot. Take a crafting wire and fold it. Attach it with the hanger and make the single crochet around the wire. Fold the wire like a hook. If you have any query, contact me on Insta, and if you want to buy my products, visit my Daraz shop. The beautiful flower planter hanger is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.